Hi guys, hey. All right, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning of my hair. It is time to deep condition this hair again, sis. Okay, so in today's video I'm actually going to be trying out a new deep conditioner that I haven't tried out, and it is by The Main Choice, along with this new heating cap that I found, which is the Hothead Thermal Hair Care Heating Cap. So I found this heating cap on Instagram and I decided to reach out to the brand, and they actually just sent me this hot cap for free just to do a review, and I was like, yes. So this hot cap is super duper cute. It has this little galaxy print on it, and then the inside it has like this towel material. I believe this might be like microfiber material, I think. And then the hot cap also comes with some actual shower caps for when you do apply your deep conditioner. You apply the shower cap first, and then you heat this up into the microwave for 45 seconds on this side. Then you turn it over inside out for 45 seconds and you heat it up, and then you turn it back over again for the third time and you heat it for another 45 seconds. Now you can leave this onto your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the heat does go down, you can reheat this again, but you do not want to go over 3 minutes of heating this hot cap. Now this hot cap does have flax seeds in each one of these little squares, and the flax seed actually heats up, so it's not like your typical type of hot cap that has like the gel material. I did buy a hot cap before in the past from Amazon that had the gel, and one time I heated it up too much and the gel actually busted while I was deep conditioning my hair. Thank God I had a shower cap on there because I don't even know what type of that jelly material. So this is much better, so there's no popping effect. Okay, sis. So the deep condition that I will be using is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Repair and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. And so this is what the hair mask looks inside. It is super creamy. I'm going to be doing a deep condition with the Main Choice Deep Conditioner Hair Mask along with the Hothead Thermal Hair Care Cap. So let's see how these both do. I'm really excited about using this for sure. So yeah, so I already washed my hair, I shampooed it, I pre-pooed it, I did all the pooing, you know. Yes, so okay, come through, come through. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Kazmaleje brush to go ahead and part my hair. Now this is a detangling brush. I actually did a review on this previously. I believe I'm going to post this before this video. I did a review on this already, and this is a black owned detangling brush. Has the wide bristles, and it also has this end part that is like a comb. So it's two products in one. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. Oh, it's already parted, kind of, sort of, from washing by the state. I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is all divided, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the hair mask. My hair is already damp, so I don't really need to apply more water on it, but I do have my spray bottle if I do need more water. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the back section, per usual. And excuse the dogs in the background. They just want to be in the video. Okay, so this hair mask smells really, really good. So let's see what it's supposed to do. So it has no mineral oils, no petroleum, no parabens, no sulfates, and no formaldehyde. Okay, all right, Main Choice, aka Courtney, yes. So it's supposed to instantly rejuvenate, condition, and hydrates, hyperly penetrates well into the layers of the hair shaft, prevents and repair cuticle damage, repair hair, condition, and delivers shine. Makes hair feel soft and reduce frizz. It's loaded with fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9. And it also helps to replenish the hair and fight against split ends. Okay, that's a lot in one. And I think it actually has biotin. Yes, it's infused with biotin and vitamin A, B, C, and D. Okay, sounds like a lot, sis. I like it. Alright, so, ooh. Alright, so this is the consistency of it. It is creamy, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Ooh, this is my actual first time ever, surprisingly, ever using a Main Choice product. Like, I don't know why, I just never picked it up. Like, people always talk about her products. I don't know why. I don't know, y'all. But I have been supporting her as a person in general since before the Main Choice. I love Courtney so much. She just seemed like the sweetest person. But so yes. So I'm gonna just separate my hair into two. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my Kazmaleje detangling brush and detangle this out. And also, if you do want to try this brush, I also do have a coupon code for it. I will also link it inside the description box as well as in the comments. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm done applying my deep conditioner all throughout my hair, and my hair feels good. Like, this has a good amount of slip in it. Good. So I'm so late. I don't know if you can tell really good, but this is how much products that I use. I probably use about 33% of the actual container, which is kind of a lot for this small container. This is an 8 fluid ounce container, and I believe this retails are like $15, but I actually got it on sale for $5. So the main thing that I want to see is how it is after I actually deep condition my hair underneath some heat. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my shower cap that came with my hot head. And I'm going to go ahead and just take out all these clips. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go heat up this good old hot cap heating cap. And one thing I do want to say about this, I feel like this is going to be really good if you do not want to apply direct heat onto your hair. Because one thing with me, if you've noticed in my previous videos, I've always used my bonnet dryer to do deep conditionings. And I kind of want to like deter away from using too much heat onto my hair because I already use heat to actually dry my styles. So I don't want to use too much heat when it comes to deep conditioning. So I feel like this may be good, but we gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and go heat up into the microwave. So like I said before, you want to go ahead and put it into the microwave for 45 seconds, right side up. And then once you're done, you want to flip it inside out and apply it into the microwave for another 45 seconds. And then once that is done, you want to flip it right side up again and heat it up for another 45 seconds and then apply it onto the head. Okay, you guys, so my heat cap is all heated up and it's ready to be applied to my hair, and I'm so excited. Okay. It's so stylish, boo. Yes, let me stop. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this onto my hair for about 30 minutes. If it do start to cool down before then, I am going to just pop it into the microwave for another 45 seconds on each side and then apply it back on, so it could be a total of 30 minutes. So sis, dudes, whatever who's watching, I'll be back. Stay tuned. Bye. Okay, you guys, so it's officially been 36 minutes since this hot cap been on my hair, and it's still a little heated like around the perimeter. So I'm like, yes, sis. Okay, so yeah, my head still feels literally hot. Hence the hot cap. Okay. Ooh. Feels nice to be released. Okay, so I really do feel like the conditioner actually penetrated my strands. So I'm gonna go ahead and go wash this out, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about the hot cap as well as the main choice hair mask together. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm coming back to y'all on nice angle listening. Okay, so I washed all the deep conditioner out, and I must say, it's good. It's a good deep conditioner. My hair is super duper soft. Super duper soft. Yeah, super duper soft. It feels really, really hydrated. It doesn't feel dry at all. And I know Main Choice products are known for having like a lot of hydration and a lot of good benefits. But now I can finally be like, okay, yes, they do. I can agree. I can agree. This is definitely a good hair mask. Now, the con I don't like is obviously the price and the size. This 8 ounce is probably gonna last me maybe like 2 more. Yeah, 2 more deep conditions, and it's about $15 for this 8 ounce. Ooh. But I got it on sale, so sis might just always have to catch a sale to buy these products. I'm just saying. Now, this bad boy, I love this. I feel like this is very, very convenient if you're like a busy person that has like a lot of tasks to do during the day, including, you know, the whole wash day routine. Because I feel like while you're deep conditioning, you can like, if you need to do homework, if you need to clean the house, whatever, you have extra tasks, you can do this while you deep condition at the same time, compared to using like a bonnet dryer where you have to sit down for however long to do your deep condition. So, you know, if you do want to use heat. But this is very convenient if you want to like multitask while doing a deep condition. So if you do want to try this hot head thermal hair care heating cap, I will link it in the description box below, along with the Main Choice hair mask in the description box. So if y'all did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below and turn it gray. And also hit the bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys.